Knife heads, how's it going? Got something on my face. Let me get that off. Boy, that sun's bright. It's cold out here. It has been in the 70s last 2 days. Now it's down in the 30s. It was 34, I think it was. Let me get the old phone here situated. Apologize for the wind. The wind's blowing pretty good. But I wanna throw this out there. I really like canoes. So I want to see y'all's canoes. I want to show you my canoes. What do you think? Good deal? Good deal? Alright, boy, it's cold out here. First one I want to show you. Stag canoe. Check the fit and finish out. No gappage. Nothing like that. This one's a K-bar. Listen to this pop, guys. Crazy. Anybody know what that moon symbol is? That's got to be how they dated their knives. So if you know what that moon is, if you don't care, let me know. And it says UCC. It's got a moon and UCC. But there it is. Little stag handle K-bar canoe. Fit and finish on this baby is perfect. There goes that dog again. Every time I'm out here working. And this next one I want to show you. Bam! It's a case canoe. It's got CV. It's got little carbon spots. I can sit and look at this all day long. You would think this is stag, wouldn't you? But the blade says 6, 2, 1, 3, 4. I don't know if that's a misprint or what. You would think it's stag, but it could be a misprint. Every other stag I got starts with 5. So if you know that, let me know about that too. There's the pow side. Check the fit and finish out. No gappage. This one's got the man on the boat doing a little boat riding. But boy, I could sit here and look at that all day long. Ain't that awesome? It's got the brass liners. Got the brass pins. Boy, you have to like these canoes. I don't know why people don't show these. Got the old K-bar. Got the case. Two great knives. But this is my second video of the day. I'm trying to get 2 in before the NASCAR race comes on. Let's go DH. He got the pole for today. Old Denny Hamlin. And if he don't do no good, let's go with Tyler Reddick. Come on, boys. You just got to get it done today. The last 3 races, Chevrolet has won. And that's unacceptable. Unacceptable. But all you knife creators out there in this YouTube world, let's see your canoes out in knife land. I know you's got at least one. I know yous do. Alright, knife heads, stay classy. You hear?